Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this mini steam cleaner. Now, I love steam cleaning, but sometimes it takes forever for the steamers to heat up, but not this little fella. This guy has 15-second heat up. So when I want to steam clean out my sink, which I like to do all the time, just a quick little thing, this can do it really fast for me, and I don't have to wait for 10 minutes for something to heat up. This has a 59-inch cord, so it can do all sorts of things, whether you're trying to reach for windows or you're getting counters. You've got a lot of area to be able to use, and it has 10 accessories that it comes with, including different mitts, like if you're wanting to wipe off counters, scrub brushes. I mean, all of the things are all inside of here, which I'll bring in here close in a minute so you can take a look at all of them. It has a 1,600 milliliter tank, and your bottom right here, this is where you get rid of all of your water. So that way you don't have to move it all around. It's literally on the bottom, so the water is just gonna drain right out. Up on the top here is where we add in our water. You just open that up, your water goes in here, and then you've got your milliliter lines right over here to make sure that you don't overfill it. So we are going to get this thing filled up with some water, and then we are going to try it out. So before we plug it in, this top part has an area with batteries that we need to add in here. So we're going to slide in 2 AAA batteries, which are not included. You will need to have those. And then we will put our cover back on and get it plugged in. Now, whenever we get it plugged in, you see the 8 will indicate that it has been paired. And we just kick it on. Now we wait 15 seconds, and this thing should be heated up and ready to go. Now you have 3 different levels on here that you can actually go through. Oh, all right, it's ready. that was quick. So now you've got this on here. Like I said, what I was saying, you've got 3 bars of pressure that can go up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And with your 10 different accessories, this thing, I mean, that's amazing how fast that went. You can use all sorts of things, whether it's just cleaning out your sink and using it as just a straight up steamer because of all the pressure. And with this hose, you can get to a lot of different areas. Now I'm gonna turn it off for a second and then attach in one of my accessories. Now to attach an accessory, you just simply stick it on there and it goes into place. Now we'll kick it back on. And now I can use this, it is working. And you can see it's actually angling it down. So then we can get in here and clean and sanitize all of this stuff and get it working again. So if you did want that level up, you just press your button again and it goes higher and higher as you go. So you'll get more and more steam to be able to clean out the areas that you want to clean out. And this is doing a great job cleaning it all up. It does have a little bit of noise to it, but it is definitely making a difference on my sink. All right, I am now finished cleaning, and it did a fantastic job. All of that deep grime and gross is all cleaned up. And then whenever it's done, we'll just unplug it. You need to let it cool off, and then you can dump out your extra water. But with all these accessories, you can do a variety of different things. I love how this thing heats up quick. You have multiple attachments, so you can use it in so many different places, whether it's in your kitchen, your bathroom, your car. This thing's ready to go as quick as 15 seconds.